Student learning objective, graph systems of two variable linear inequalities. So here we have two linear inequalities in two variables, and we're going to graph them on an xy plane. So first off, this one has the point 0, 1, that's the y-intercept. The slope is 1, I'll put it 1 over 1. It's solid because of the equal, and it's shaded below. This is a pattern when it's in slope-intercept form. Less than or equal to is below, greater than is above. The second one, the point 0, negative 1, the slope is negative 1 over 2. It is a dashed line because there's no equal sign, and shade above because it's greater than. So combining this together, so we have, first off, let me just say, if we have two lines like this, and you shade one this way and you shade one that way, there's some single shading, there's some single shading, and then there's this region up here that's double shaded. That is not a good graph, because the final answer should only be the double shading, not everything else. This is an intersection that we're solving. If it doesn't say, you assume it is. There's actually union problems where everything that's shaded is your final answer. There's no double shading at all. But this is single shade, just the double shading. So I'm not going to do everything shaded like this. Let me show you what I do. So 0, 1. The slope is up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, etc. This is a solid line. And it's shaded below, so I'm just going to do an arrow indication of which way the shading is. The second line, 0, negative 1. The slope, negative 1 over 2, down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2. This one's a dashed line. So we dash the line through there, and it's shaded above. So we can see the region in here that's shaded by both lines. This is the only shading that I want to have for the graph of this solution.